So I kind of feel like vlogging today, which is really weird because I haven't done it in a while. I'm gonna be having a pretty fun weekend with my friends, so I figured I could vlog it. We're gonna go to the mall. She wants to get a new phone, so I was like, oh, I could come with you. Since we're going to the mall, I figured we can go shopping and hang out a little bit. I honestly really miss vlogging. I just have a lot of anxiety around it now. I don't really know why. My life has changed a lot since being consistent on YouTube, which was years ago. It feels like years ago now. I guess I could share a little bit. I get so anxious about sharing my life online nowadays. A big change that I've had is my hair completely changed. Like, this is the texture now. I did nothing and it's just like extremely wavy in some parts, but I hate that some areas like down here are still kind of straight. One of the main changes in my life is that I met someone really amazing and we got married in November. I really love this ring. It belonged to my husband's grandmother and she passed it down to us, and it just has like a beautiful meaning to it, so I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. We'll have to see. I also wanted to mention, when I'm out running errands or doing things, my grandpa's not alone. Like, he always has someone with him. I was overthinking. I was like, oh my god, it sounds like I'm going out and leaving him by himself. No. So I'm just waiting outside for my friend to pick me up. My husband and I cleaned our yard, our front yard, and we have these rocking chairs. So sometimes I like to come outside and just like touch grass, be outside in nature, and it's under this really big tree, so it's nice and cool most of the time. He brought this little table so we could have like iced tea or coffee, and then he'll usually sit on that one and we just kind of hang out. It's really nice. The heels. This is my first time seeing the iPhone Air. It's so skinty. Oh my god. She got the green one! They just bought it just now. We stopped in a Pokemon store. They have all kinds of cards and plushies and really cool artwork too.
Echo.
Yes.
Good, yeah.
What the heck is that? Okay, I just got home from shopping and hanging out with my friends. I've been wanting this bag from Coach for the longest time. It's been in my cart for months. I can't buy something unless I see it in person and try it on. So this is the Tabby bag in maple brown, I believe. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to ask to engrave it. I was like so excited, I just walked out. It comes with a long strap and then it comes with a shoulder strap, but I'm planning on using it with the shoulder strap, so let me just put it on so I can hold it up. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. And then in my cart, I also wanted to buy this charm to go with it. I just thought it was the cutest thing. It's a little strawberry. It's so freaking cute. Isn't it so pretty? So yeah, this was my huge purchase of the day. My friend told me that they are having a sale, so I got a couple things and I need to try them on. The line for the fitting room was crazy today. I guess it was the first day of the sale, like a buttery fabric, but I've been really liking yellow lately. So it's just this tank top, and then I got these really cute flowy pants. These were 30% off. I really like the pants. Obviously I'll use better underwear when I wear them. I think I should have got a bigger size of the shirt. This feels so tight. It's comfortable. It's just kind of like snatching me up to the heavens right now. Obviously I wouldn't use it with this, but I like the color a lot. I just finished eating dinner, but my hubby is making the new shelf because his dresser yeah. So I'm not really doing anything today. I'm just gonna be keeping an eye on my grandpa, making him his lunch. I do have to do his physical therapy and occupational therapy exercises with him, so I'm actually gonna do that right now. I just had some breakfast, I had some coffee. Okay, I just finished his physical therapy and occupational therapy exercises. Girl, why am I sweating? I just gave him a protein shake and a snack before his lunch. So I'm just gonna tidy up my room now. Like, got a new dresser, and it's also a TV stand, so let me just show you. It's really cute. So this is what it looks like. It has like a really cute like lighting system in there, and it's much better because, as you could see in the other clip, like his dresser was busted. But I really like it because the entertainment center on the bottom can hold some of our trinkets.
As a boy in general, I would be the type of boy to...
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of blacked out and started organizing my art cart so it would be less cluttered and filled. So I just spent like 30 minutes doing that. Good morning. So today is the day of my friend's birthday party at the beach. So I'm just having some breakfast and coffee right now. Isn't this cup so cute? When I was working at Sephora, we got gratis all the time, and this is from Benefit. It looks like it's gonna be a really beautiful day today. Skies are blue. I'm also eating some breakfast. This is imitation crab salad. So I was supposed to get my period this week, and it just never came. I always have irregular periods, but I feel like it's gonna be here at any moment. I was hoping that it would hold off at least until tomorrow, so I'm really hoping it just waits one more day. That would be perfect because I really want to play mermaids with my friends. I asked him to buy goggles. It barely fits. Why'd you buy kids ones? There is no way I can use these. They are like popping my eyes out. I went to the store. I got the right goggles. I also went to get sunscreen and a few more drinks. And I just started having, so when I have like little anxiety attacks, I just start sweating profusely. And I started having one in there, and I don't know why. It's so annoying. I hate when that happens, but I'm literally like so freaking sweaty now. Can you see that? Oh my god. Okay, now I'm going home. We are on the way to the beach now. Adding whimsy to the beach day.
You guys want lemons for your shrimp?
These are equally as tight, actually.
The girls already all.
You just want me to sit next to you real close, huh?
Take a picture of Hello Kitty.
Oh.
Good, drill it.
Yeah, sunscreen. Expect.
Do it again.
Huh?
Cheers!
Right over. I was designing logos and stuff like that.
Cute.
But right here. So half orc, kind of on the build side, but still fashionable. So that's why you have one sleeve on this side and none on this side. Toshi Village, I remember. So if you look closely over there, at the armor,
Oh my god.
yeah, you have like a paw, like kind of like brass knuckle. And I was trying to play more with fashion and stuff like that. Well, sorry, what is an example of ghetto?
Get to that.
Okay, okay.
Nice. I'm about to say you should put that aside.
It's on the table.
Oh,
Cheers to Melina.
Cheers to
Realest
Marie.
person I know. Blow it out.
Oh!
You're not hitting this one.
All right, let's go, D. You're so far away. Stop!
Aiko was about to throw. Oh, Diana just missed out of her mind. Aiko's turn. Oi! Tyler about to. Oh, what the? What the? She not top dog.
Can you turn around?
You guys stop. Where? What?
Can you turn around?
Let the master hit him right now.
What the?
You better get them both sides. The master, he says.
Okay. Oh. Oh, yikes.
Shut up.
Stop!
That's fine.